Opus 4.5 into Polymarket. Polymarket is a prediction market where you can pretty much trade anything. And when I say anything, like the number of tweets Elon is going to have on November 28th, the second largest company by the end of November, a highest grossing movie. It's pretty fun. And I think there's a lot of edge for retail here. Um, I think it's still gambling if you look at it from a sports side and a crypto side. So Ethereum above or below. This is just kind of leverage trading. Sports, a lot of emotional people. I know a lot of people don't agree with that, and that's fine. But I remove all sports and crypto out of what I look at. Ignore sports, ignore crypto. Now the tags aren't the best on their API, so it doesn't ignore all of them, but it ignores some of them. I use this all the time to see. This is free, by the way, to see the big traders here. But essentially, I have a couple bots that I run that use this swarm agent. So this swarm agent here, essentially, let me just go ahead and show it to you. It's all on GitHub. You just go to SRC here, AI Agents Moondab, type that into Google or go to the link in the description below, bro. Go ahead and go to agents here and then go to Polymarket agent here. And everything I'm about to show you here is on this agent. But the thing is this goes ahead and looks at all the big traders. So I have predictionbots.com that looks at the big traders as well if you want to look at it by hand. But essentially, I'm looking at all the big traders, or the agents are. The agents are looking at the big traders, okay? And then they're saying, hey, should we take this trade? Yes or no? Now, is that a great way to do this? I don't know. We'll see. This is so new, but I think it's interesting to have their perspectives. That's actually something else I want to do. I want to enter or implement web search into the agents. So let me just go ahead and show you an agent first, the agent flow. And you saw where to get that code, right? Polymarket agent. This is that GitHub that is in the description. I go to SRC here, just like I showed you on GitHub. And then we go to agents here, okay? And then where do we go? Yep, Polymarket agent, here we go. So if I open this up and I run it, it's gonna ask an AI swarm, so multiple AIs, what to do based off of the data it has. It says Claude Haiku ready, Grok ready, O1 mini ready, Gemini 2.5 Flash ready, etc., etc. But we want to use Opus now. So I'm going to put Opus in this flow, dude, because why wouldn't I? Let's go ahead and implement Opus 4.5 into the Polymarket agent. So now there'll be another response. I think there's 6 right now. Now there'll be 7. So you can see here, let's go ahead and run it. I'm using Opus 4.5 up here to build this out and add it to my thing. You can see responded models. Okay, so it says, should I take this or that trade based off of the data that you have? And then it gets a market consensus. So all 6 AIs tell me no trade, yes or no. You can see this guy said no on market 3, no trade on market 2, no trade on market 1. Okay, and that was GPT-5 mini. Quen, no trade on market 1, which is a college basketball. Market 2, he says no, because they have 3 options, yes, no, or no trade. And market 3, they said no. So you can see Claude here, no trade, and then no. So then we have a consensus. So we have 6 of those, and then a consensus goes through, and you can see where she makes her choices: no trade, and then no. So these 2, there's going to be no trade, but this one, it looks like she might be adding a position. Well, actually, these are the top 5 consensus picks here. So you can see it goes through multiple filters here in order to try to make the best picks possible. You know, this is AI, so it's like this is very early, and are they right? That's the question. What data are you giving them? None of this is plug and play, so don't grab the GitHub if you think you're just going to plug it in and make $1 million, because you're not. You got to bring your own edge. There's risks to this. Please do read this. Pause the video now, just for like 30 seconds, and just read through this, and then we can all just keep it pushing. All right. Thank you. Much love. So now it went ahead and made the analysis, and then I just crashed my computer. Wow. We're going so hard that I just crashed cursor, dude. Let's go ahead and get it back up. Oh my goodness. They do that, dude. I swear they do that on purpose. If you don't update,